The Hinyotrap Youth Council has demanded that the Meghalaya government form a specialized anti-narcotics task force, Antf, similar to the Special Weapons and Tactics Unit, to fight drug trafficking across the state. Highlighting the inefficiency of the current Antf structure, HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram emphasized the need for an independent team, free from routine law enforcement duties. To further strengthen oversight, the HYC has demanded a local office of the Narcotics Control Bureau to facilitate independent investigations into potential police misconduct.
Of East Jandhel. So it creates a lot of problems, and there is a lot of time. The response time is very short. They don't get a proper response time. So the minister concerned has informed us that the government will work out a modalities in which the Antf will be a specially designated team to fight drugs in the state of Meghalaya. So we'll be having a special team in line with SWAT, in line with SWAT, just what they did when the militancy was at its height at the state of Meghalaya. They formed a special team, special operation team. At present also, to fight drugs